Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to loop YouTube videos in under 2 minutes. So most people use this loop to have their music on repeat when riding a car. So I will use my own tutorials for these videos. I will just press on one of the videos, just select the video which you'd like to loop, and after that you will see a save button right here. I will press on it and now press on change from the bottom, and after that press on new playlist because we want to create a new playlist and give it a name. I will name it loop and press on create. And now let's close this video and go on the homepage of YouTube, and I will press on my profile icon from the bottom right, and at playlist let's press on view all. Alright, and here is my loop playlist. Let's press on it and press on the video from the playlist. Alright, and now what you have to do, you will see end of playlist right at the bottom. Let's press on it and you will see two arrows. So let's press on those arrows, and now I just loop the video. As an example, if we go all the way to the end of this video, it just repeated itself, and you can add as many videos as you want in this playlist, and if you'll mark this arrow from here, you will put videos on repeat. So this is how to put videos on a loop on YouTube. I hope it helped, and I hope you have a great day.